thing I love about Facebook groups is what bike should I get? I don't know what bike you should get. You're asking a bunch of strangers. We don't know again, it goes back to your riding style, where you're riding, what you plan to ride. Is this your first bike? Have you been riding a while? Have you been riding street bikes at least? What's your history? And at the end of the day, it's called just sit on a bunch of bikes, and maybe your first bike won't be your dream bike, so maybe don't go out and buy that GSA 1200. Maybe instead, get yourself even if it's new, get yourself something, older, like a XR 650L or a DR 650 or a DRZ 400, or and then kind of figure out from there what you start doing, because all those bikes will do adventure riding. All those bikes can do single track. They're just heavier, and you're gonna be wearing yourself out, but it's a good starting point. That's what I would say. Other than that, I have no idea what you should get. Everyone online is always going to recommend the bikes they ride. I seen that through myself, being like, get an XR650R. But honestly, that's not really a dual sport, but it works pretty good for just getting around, connecting trails, and riding, And it's a Kickstarter, a lot of people are just, you're gonna have it dialed in and once you have the routine down to kick it, but sometimes it can be stubborn. It's a stubborn bike. So I have no idea what bike you should or shouldn't get for your first bike. And no one online does either. You need to be just going to dealers, sitting on things, checking things out. If you have any riding buddies, ask them. They know you better than we do. And, if you can, maybe see if you have your motorcycle endorsement, see if there's willing people in your area that are willing to be like, hey, yeah, I got a DR650, yeah, we can go out to an open area and you can kind of ride it around and see how you like it or not like it, And for the most part, people are pretty nice in the off-road community. Would I let somebody? Sure. It's a bike. I've dropped it. There's going to be people that always have the Trailer Queen toys, that they don't drop, they polish it. Your best bet really is just probably read about the stuff, look at, YouTube online reviews, and just see what sparks your interest, and then go sit on the bikes and see what fits you. And then if you're like, well, geez, this DR650 is way too small for me, I'm 6'7", and this is going to be a joke of a bike for me to ride, and I might want to do bigger, longer distances, maybe the KTM 690, but price is going to be the other factor. But if price isn't a factor, then yeah, definitely just sit on everything. Even if it is a factor in say like a KTM is your dream bike, but you're starting out, just, get something reasonable, whether it's used or even if it's new, look at some of the stuff that's been around forever. And besides, with it being around for as long, you don't have to be as hands-on either with do-it-yourself stuff, because so many people have solved any issues that they'll just be like, buy this, put this on, you're good to get, So, hopefully that was some advice to give some new riders. It's just to keep seeing all these posts about what should I run, what tires, what bike, you know, what oil. It's like, at the end of the day, get what you want. It's not my money. I have no concerns or worries or expectations of how you spend your money. You want a KTM 1190R for your first bike? Go buy one, you know? More power to you. So anyways, guys and gals, hopefully you enjoyed this little vlog, and we're almost back to the vehicle right now. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one.